love it when I turn off the bass.
The top of the back steps.
Oh, I do the bottom of both.
I don't like doing the bottom of the back steps, only for the simple fact of they can see that trap and then they can just eject their route and go towards side garden instead of when they see the trap all the way up top. You know what I mean? They either have to have bomb squad, hit the trap, or run down into somebody.
Oh, you mean if they're running away from you? Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
I get it.
Cookies usually in the kitchen. I'm gonna overheat 100%. Oh no, I didn't. Good shit. A little hot fix? Okay. Sunny just out.
Nah. Lock that up. Alright. So trap the bottom of the back steps. So basically upstairs or down?
No,
Upstairs on the back step.
Yeah, up here.
It won't let you trap. It won't let you trap the top of the front steps.
Right here I can trap right here.
Right here, where I'm standing.
He's the cook. He's the cook.
Just make sure it's dead center. Not too far to the left, not too far to the right.
Alright.
Check
So
back
basically
porch.
right there.
Back porch, as of right now, is still secure.
So right there.
I'll let you go first.
Let me run back and check. Hold on.
Yeah, I got it.
I think you might be okay. Yeah, they might be able to slip past it on the right. It's close. I think you'd be all right. They'd have to be taking their time.
Yeah, but
You should be good.
They might be upstairs already.
I also trap right here too, Cook.
Oh, front door, side door. I mean, side door, Sunny. Struggling with him. Get him. Come on.
I'm coming.
It's Connie.
I'm trying.
It's not Sunny, it's Connie.
He's dead. I don't
Nice.
know what she was doing. Two more people
Wait a
on
minute.
top
Sunny
though.
went downstairs. Wait, did Sunny knock me downstairs?
Somebody went. No, that's leaving over there.
No, I just thought I saw Sunny for some reason. I don't know why.
He's dead.
Sunny got snared. You see, that's why I trapped
Where?
her. That's why I trapped.
Where's out here at? What are you talking about? Someone did back door. Someone did back door.
Back there. Alright.
Wait, how the hell did they get back there?
The hell? Did somebody open the door?
Somebody had
No.
to.
Wait, what? Did he go out the window? No, window's intact.
Somebody had to open up.
GG.
Family house game.
Somebody opened it and didn't close it behind them,
GG's.
like lock it behind them.
Top one's, you know, an even number.
I always trap this gate.
Left gate, right?
Yeah, left gate.
Yeah, because I padlock.
Oh
I
my
padlock.
God, I'm gonna overheat. No way, right?
I padlock red container. So
Oh,
that's
damn,
good.
this shit put me all in a whole another area of the basement.
You see what I mean? Kind of glitches and stuff. They need to fix that. There we go. And I always trap that big gap too. That big
Yeah,
gap.
Leyland going thicket. He's opening the door to thicket ladder.
I'm gonna put on my perk is no one escapes from hell.
By the way, Valve is side of the house.
Thanks for warning me about that because they just be putting them in every place, in any place. Alright, so I'm coming down in basement.
Oh wow, I'm not really coming up.
So he's just
Oh, you are?
unlocking it. He's not coming up it, I guess.
And now I gotta go find that fuse box.
Fuse box is back bedroom.
Yeah, you,
Thank
can use
you.
your, you can use your family ability and it'll show you where it's at.
Yep.
With your family vision.
That's how I find you guys.
That's how you can check your traps and see if they're broken or not too.
Leyland's back here, thicket ladder. He's running down it
right
now.
side generator.
I knocked him down the ladder.
Left side generator now. And is running, she's running, she's running. Get over here.
Leyland shouldered me. He's back up thicket, running towards red container.
That's it.
Alright, I'm going again.
Yo, I feel like we're in a football seat right now.
Actually, no.
in the
I
house,
think he went. I think he went in the house.
Yeah, I could see.
There's no doors in here, buddy. Can't really run nowhere.
Yeah, he wants to slam people.
Yeah, he just stabbed me, just stabbed me. He's going, well. He's hitting the well. He
I
actually
know
might,
Troll, he's going down.
Central. Might actually be... He's gonna be right to your right when you come out of there.
Oh,
Julie's over here.
I see him, I see him.
Julie's by Grandpa. I just missed her somehow because I suck. Julie's welling by, No, she didn't well. She's by, car parts. She's going down car parts right now.
He's just running back and forth.
He's about to run the wrong way right now.
Yo, Cook, tell me you saw that, bro.
Say what?
Tell me you saw that.
No, I was getting blood.
He got cut off, bro.
He what?
He got cut off, bro. You said he about to run the wrong way, right? Oh, yeah, he got.
Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, I saw that. I thought you were talking about something else.
Julie's dead.
Very good.
Just Connie. She got 475. Probably stuck in the basement somewhere. I'll go.
Or she could be over here by Jen or something.
Nah, Jen's padlocked.
2,000 years later.
I'm gonna go in there actually to get some blood. Oh, trap. She hit a trap.
GG's, buddy.
Car battery?
Yeah, left side. Another 4K for the boys.
Yes, sir. Guys, hey guys, everybody make sure you like and subscribe to my homie AG.